What he loves is learning. It's a love that's often put him at the head of his class at American River College, and it's often put him literally in front of his class, too, giving guest lectures on everything from paleontology to astronomy.
I don't mind interacting with other college students.
You don't?
Kind of like it, too.
You do?
Yep. Planet crosses the star.
Tanish says his favorite subjects are the sciences. He learned his letters before some kids learn how to talk. At age 4, he was inducted to the Genius Society Mensa. Not soon after, his parents took him out of public school so he could learn at his own pace. So it's fine to have a massive intellect, but of course it comes down to how that intellect gets applied. And I think he should start right now. I brought my checkbook for you. Would you mind balancing that for me? Hey, I'm not above a little free banking, but I did feel like it was unfair to saddle a 9-year-old with questions like, what do you want to do when you grow up? Still, Tanish did have this to say about his future.